Hello everyone, welcome to Batch 75 Golden Anniversary. Without further ado, let's dive into it. It's been a long time, 50 years in the making. Ang araw na ito ay very significant sa Batch 75 and I for one ay nakikisa at naging saksi sa successful celebration ng 50th Golden Anniversary ng Batch 75. Well, sa tagal na panahon, marami ang nagbago. There are so many successful in our batch and amazing, maraming changes na naganap. And if you can see one by one, their life has been changed. Some are businessmen, some are professionals, and lahat ng ito ay naging bahagi ng celebration na to. Nakita natin na masaya ang muling pagkikita ng Batch 75. Patuloy ang kanilang adhikain na pagkita every year. It's a good decision to see each other every year and to continue their good deeds, matulong sa kapwa some ways and so many ways, magkatulong-tulong ang bawat isa. Sabi nga magtulungan at bigay ng lakas para sa isa't isa to boost everyone in their own life. Maging lakas ka ng bawat isa, and this is very amazing. So nakita natin ang maraming nangyayari at 50th year is only the beginning. It's not the end. This is the beginning of our journey on Batch 75. Classmates, so we see each other every year, and I'm hoping and praying na magpatuloy ang ganitong gawain to see each other again, witness the goodness of our dear Lord sa bawat buhay, sa bawat pamilya ng Batch 75. Good luck to all of you and mabuhay.